wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best sewing machines for beginners. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. When you're just learning the ropes, it's important to focus on the essentials. With the Singer 1304, you won't have much of a choice because it's a very simple machine. This is actually a good thing as it allows you to nail down the basics without getting distracted. It offers a preset stitch length and width and includes 3 presser feet. However, the bobbin tends to jam. At number 9, specifically designed with beginners in mind, the inexpensive Janome Arctic includes thoughtful instructions and corresponding YouTube video tutorials designed to help you get your bearings as you stumble through the awkward learning phase. It's available in multiple colors and the removable arm doubles as storage, but there's not enough space for large garments. Coming in at number 8 in our list. If you're looking for a model that offers the versatility needed to tackle a mix of diverse projects, the Spiegel SP3201 does it at an affordable price. With 32 stitches, it can adapt to whatever you're working on, though it isn't the most durable option. It is fairly easy to control, and the instructions are detailed yet simple. However, it's not good for delicate fabrics. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sewing machines for beginners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, made by one of the most respected companies in the industry, the Singer 3232 has everything you need to begin learning the craft. Though it isn't made of the strongest materials, this makes it lightweight so it can be easily transported. It allows for reverse sewing and the presser foot can be raised, but the automatic needle threader is useless. Moving up our list to number 6. The motor on the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is strong enough to tackle projects more daunting than many of its competitors. This one can sew through multiple layers of fabric, but can also work gently on delicates, thanks to its adjustable pressure foot pedal. It works fairly quickly and can handle denim well. However, the built-in light illuminates poorly. Halfway up our list at number 5. Don't let the whimsical floral decorations that cover the side panel of the Brother XM2701 fool you into believing that it's a toy. This is light and inexpensive and one of the most capable models an amateur can own thanks to its quality and ease of use. It offers 27 stitches and makes a great gift for a young person. It's equipped with an effective drop-in bobbin. At number 4, though it's a bit more costly than some, if you'll be sticking with this craft for a while, the Brother XR9550 Project Runway is a solid investment. It features a large backlit LCD screen, an easy needle threader, and an impressive 110 decorative and heirloom stitches. It comes with 8 sewing feet, a hard case, and a 25-year limited warranty. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Singer Stylist 7258 is among the best affordable computerized options. Some of its seemingly minor but useful features include an effective built-in work light and a see-through bobbin case that allows you to gauge how much thread is left at all times. It offers 6 buttonhole styles and works quite well for quilting. It includes a very helpful instruction manual. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sewing machines for beginners, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the immensely popular Brother CS6000i is lightweight yet sturdy, easy to use but also capable of managing complex projects, and inexpensive despite its wide array of included accessories. It operates quietly too and takes little effort to thread it properly. It's ideal for infrequent alterations and great value for the cost. It does well with or without a foot pedal. And taking the top spot on our list, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 requires a fairly substantial investment for a novice, but its quality and versatility ensure that this model will let you make quick progress and that you won't need to upgrade it anytime soon. It features a heavy-duty metal frame, an extension table, and a lettering function to create words. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for sewing machines for beginners, or simply click beneath this video.